so I'm actually here today. Yeah, but I'm vlogging. That's the main difference. Feel like one of them said feel like a shootout. All right, so today is going to be a day. Yeah, we'll be looking at some of the new 2023 Ford vehicles. Well, you can see them in the background right here. So let's get this thing started.
Sup, done now.
So tell us about this device that you have right now.
All right, so what we have is a G86 Micro Four Thirds paired with the LiDAR rangefinder on the RS3 Pro Ronin. And essentially what LiDAR does is turn any lens into an autofocus lens. This is a cinema lens, so no autofocus features whatsoever. And the camera is currently off, so you know that the camera is currently off, right? Now, if I rotate onto you, you'll see it focus. I don't know if you can see the rings. You can see the rings?
Yeah.
It's tracking focus between the camera and you now. If I turn to the wall, automatically changes focus to the wall. If I go to the roof, you see it shifting the focus constantly. Go back down to the wall, shifting back, go back. It's tracking him there. It's racking focus. It's almost like I have an AC.
Yeah, the money might take for the AC. Like.
It's not perfect, so like on a professional shoot, you'll still want your AC to rack focus exactly the way you want it, to the speed you want it. But for run and gun, if you want to, if you have a cinema lens with like really low depth, this will fix your problem with autofocus if you have a cinema lens on your camera. So, yeah.
So they say that you try it?
Of course, why not, bro? Less people to deal with always better sometimes,
I'm going to look at the Ford Raptor right now. Well, so I'm going to look at the Ford Ranger. So I have my friend here. Tell me what you think about this Ranger right now.
Loving the Ranger, bro. The new Ranger is a vibe. Like, come ready for touch off road. Any road trip, work duty, we'll keep up the gentleman, but he must admit same way too. Ranger bad.
The Ranger bad.
The Ranger is nice, man. Brand new 23 XLT, it's a good look for the parents and things. I know the majority people like Ford for new vehicle and things. So this is a nice off-road, on-road, nice family van as I can see. Very nice features, very nice leather seats, very spacious I'll see. And as I said,
is that it? Oh,
yeah, man,
inside.
Oh, you see? Very nice.
Yo, nah, like, it look nice. Look on the radio.
Yeah, man, very nice, man. You can see have leg room for tall people, small people, so it's a good look.
So what coming there, man? I'm going to look around, I'm going to feast my eyes.
Why? I thought I guess you can flip it over. The first one had more space, though.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The previous one looked bigger. But this one's nice, still.
This is wireless?
Yeah.
Oh. Seven rhymes. I'm here with the Seven Rhymes ambassador himself. I didn't know about this brand until Pedro brought it to Jamaica. So he's definitely doing his work. I'm going to test the range on this right now. Am I holding it too close? Good? Yeah, so today we are at KIG, the only authorized dealer for Ford, Jeep, Subaru, and Yamaha motorcycles. And today we're supposed to be being introduced to the 2023 Ford vehicles. We have behind us the Everest, the Ranger, the new Ranger, and I think that's it, right? Yeah. So it should be interesting. The design, the look is completely different. I've been driving Ford vehicles for years, and the Everest was one of my favorites, and this looks completely different. The interior looks different. I'm hoping there's some nice functionality changes that will also be nice and new, but I'm very impressed so far. It should be an interesting day. So we're here with Robin. It's Robin over here. I'm just testing this mic. I want to see how I sound on it. I'm going to keep talking, right? Robin and Pedro behind the camera right now. He's operating as always. And yeah, it should be a fun day. We're going to get introduced. We're going to maybe create some content in the near future and see what we can do with these vehicles on the open road, create a commercial. We'll see how it goes. I'm out of things to say. I only can BS for so long. But yeah, man, this is KIG. Check out this open space concept. You see all the people working on the cars, making sure it looks good, polishing those wheels. Oh, let's talk to Matthew. Let's talk to Matthew. Oh, it looks like he's busy. Matthew, how are you doing today, sir? This is Bwoy. You know, he's the one that got us all here. How are you doing, Bwoy?
I'm very good. I'm very good.
So I'm just testing out the microphone. And I decided, why not just turn this into a vlog, kind of news reporter, anchor style concept. So, you know, I explained to the viewers that we're here just, you know, being introduced to 2023 lineup. Anything you want to say about this, all these new cars?
Yeah, so this is really the next generation of the Ford Ranger line. I don't know if you guys know, but the Everest is actually built on the Ranger platform. So behind us we have the Everest, we have the XLT, and we have the Wildtrak. Immediately, I think one of the things that stand out most is the grille, the headlights, and the interior is a whole redesign. So it's really exciting for Ford. And yeah, that's what's going on.
All right, exciting stuff. I can't wait to finally hear from Judith, the sales and marketing manager, and you know, hear about all these new vehicles and what we're going to be doing here today. As I said, Robin, Pedro, and myself are here to potentially create some content for these vehicles, and yeah, should be interesting.
So we have the lovely, oh my God, what's up? You're here chilling. What do you think about this vehicle so far?
It's really amazing. I've actually driven the one before it. I think that was a 2022 when KIG actually sponsored a vehicle for me when I had to visit a girl's home in Old Harbour, part of my Miss Jamaica or BC with a Purpose project. And I just love how spacious it is. And this one looks even more modern. Like the screen is so big.
Yeah.
Have you seen this?
Yeah. I've seen the screen. It's massive.
Yeah, so it's really a favorite.
So I'm like a news reporter for today. You get me? So this is the Everest, which I'm going to check out inside of the car soon. Let me start off with let me start off back with the Ranger. Let's go inside of the Ranger and look at the Ranger. Are you ready? All right. So today you're just going to tell me a little bit more about, you know, all these vehicles that we have. Well, I don't know which one of them you specific, like you actually, you know, all of them.
Can I share them?
Can share the information.
Yeah, man, because there are two other guys.
Which one of them you want to start with first? Well, everybody love the Ranger. You get me? So let's talk about the Ranger. All right.
All right, hi. So what we have here today is the next generation Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Now this is our 23 model, and it's gorgeous. They have put in a lot of work in this truck. It's redesigned, as you can see. The lights, the grille, complete redesign. This vehicle comes with a totally different engine than the previous model. So it comes with a 2-liter bi-turbo. And of course, a 10-speed automatic transmission. So all of that is new for the next generation Ranger. They have also put in, you know, for the entertainment, a 12-inch screen.
One really big screen one.
Yeah, man, it's a nice screen, very big. They have also included charging pad.
Wireless charging.
Wireless charging.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, man. So that is cool. A lot of people have been asking about that. They have added that. Also, of course, the Wildtrak comes fully leather package, push button start, 7 airbags. They have continued, you know, that. The older model also had the 7 airbags as well. But it looks good. They have also changed the styling of the wheels. These are 18-inch alloy wheels.
So the ones before were said.
They were 18. These are gold metallic gray. They have also added nice roll bar. So you know it's lovely. It's of course a 5-seater vehicle. It's diesel engine.
Yes. Especially because a lot of person want to say, "Oh, diesel is the right way."
It is diesel engine. The suspension is nice. It's a very good ride. leaf spring at the back. The new Rangers, they have offered, especially in the Wildtrak model, four-wheel disc braking. That is also new. Before it was a drum braking at the back. So they have improved on the braking, and that is good. Of course, all our vehicles comes with a 5 years warranty and a 3 year service package. That's a good thing to have when you think of getting a pickup. You want to know that you're covered with a warranty for a good period of time, and 5 years is good. And you want to know that you have a service package, which is good. You don't have to think about worrying about paying for service for 3 years. You just come in, get your vehicle service, and you're out. So this is what we are offering today. Ford Ranger, next generation. It's a 23 model. That's it.
All right, so I'm gonna go look inside that down here. All right.
I think she's doing a delivery.
Leather interior.
So you can just go and do your thing. I don't have to probably speak up much.
No.
Bring up the dash for you.
Yo, that's your dash. Dash look nice and clean. One thing I love about this, yo, the radio.
Yeah, man.
The radio. Radio.
And I mean, all of the Fords, this is where they're going in terms of the entertainment.
Love this. Love this. Love this. Love this. Love this.
You want to take me to find out that stuff.
All right. What in here like actually different from everybody else?
All right. So this is the interior of the Wildtrak. The Wildtrak is nice. The interior is lovely. Orange stitching on the door, on the dash. Our 12-inch screen.
Yeah.
Okay. They have added a 12-inch screen. This is our entertainment screen that displays everything entertainment, air condition, your rear view camera. Of course, these are 4-wheel drive. So you drive in 2-wheel drive regularly, and then you have your 4H, and which is 4-wheel drive high speed, 4-wheel drive low speed. All right, traction control, locking rear differential, parallel parking assist, hill descent. Also, what's new is electronic park brake.
Yeah.
All right, but it's nice. Nice. As I said, equipped with, and safety is paramount. And so we have driver airbag. There's a knee airbag for the driver.
Knee earbud.
Knee airbag, yeah man. All right. Passenger airbag over there. Side and side curtain. All right. So in the seat and in the side. So in the event of an accident, you're really covered. And that's good. Some other safety features: anti-lock braking system, which is ABS. All right. So it's a nice vehicle. It looks good. It have everything going on for it.
All right. So pretty like leather steering wrap and all them lovely stuff there, and he mentioned about the screen. The screen size is like it's a nice size. I love the screen size. Like the screen size is really nice. Like what this like in my vehicle. Like sometimes I wish I could get the screen like this. You get me? Vertically instead of horizontal, because like horizontal nice, but vertical seem like a bigger feel of you. You get what I mean? Yo, everything is on the screen, Everything is on the screen. Connect your phone, Bluetooth, reverse camera, and all lovely works. Yo, this is really nice. Really nice. Drive mode. Well, I'm not really a fan of a vehicle that uses a bay. So for me, my choice as relates to one of these vehicles would be the Everest. Cause I don't like the fact that I have to like put things in the trunk or anything like that. I like to know that I can actually just I don't have to stop the car and then put in or take out. I can just get that for me. If somebody else is in the car, can say, get that for me. And they must get it. Like for these type of vehicle, I love them, but it's like a love and hate situation for these type of vehicles. So that's why with KIG, we have different options right now, which I love that. Yo, let's look at the dash. So futuristic right now, like, yo, there's so much things on the dash right now. Yeah, damn, like everything you can see, all of the wheel, the tire pressure, and those type of stuff. Yeah, I like that the fuel light. It looks cool. I don't know, I just find it just looks really cool. So guys, we have Yannick and Christoph outside, waiting for them to come inside and see what's going on here. Oh crap, Yannick have on the same shirt as me. That's crazy. Let me go outside and greet him. So it's so crazy that Yannick has the same um, shirt as me. So let me see what's going on. So we have Christoph over here. There's Christoph, and look at Yannick. Crap. That's what, yo, same thing I'm saying. Yo, the man have on the same shirt as me, and I'm like, yo. Oh, you see, have on your stuff shirt. Have on your stuff shirt. Let's see. Man look fresh and rich. Jamaica, 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 Jamaica. So you guys ready to view the goodies that's inside?
I could tell you everything I just said. Testing.
You love talk on mic. You love talk on mic.
What does it really do, you know?
Probably this.
Huh?
Probably for this. Probably for the diff.
Oh,
So you think go inside I look?
it's nice. I like it. It's very chic. Should I say chic? No. Yeah.
Look on the monitor, bro.
The monitor, right?
Yeah,
It's huge, right? Caution, do not touch the display during installation.
just turn it on and so you can look. See,
can turn the car on?
Yeah, just press it.
That's a break, no?
Just press it.
Woo! And it's silent too. It's not that loud.
Yeah. And a diesel.
And it's diesel.
All of them are diesel.
Okay, diesel truck. Okay, good enough space. I mean, okay. So, foot space running. I mean, so this back. Well, the seats is not even bulky. The seats aren't that bulky, so they're not that huge. The seat itself, yeah, it's cool, man. I like it. Very nice interior. What is this? Aux 1, Aux 2, Aux 3? What's all this for, bro? I don't even know.
Well, my only thing is just that it doesn't have a sunroof.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, none of them have a sunroof. I hate that.
None of them. I mean, a sunroof would be nice, probably in the other one stills, rather than this pickup, because we got the back. It's pretty decent though.